Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. I know it has been a long time, but let's get started. So the today's table topic is what impact do you want to leave on the world? What impact do you want to leave on the world? The impact. What impact do I want to leave on the world? This brings back the memory when I was in sixth class and there was an English teacher. She said something to the class, and when it was the time when she was leaving the school, uh, because some permanent teacher had joined at that time. So she was leaving, and she was very affectionate to our whole class 6. She was the class teacher, and she was saying that you have only one life and make a mark on this world. Don't leave the world just like that. And that is the line that hit me very hard. And if you ask me what impacts I want to leave on the world, definitely I do want to leave the impact on the world. And I want to measure in the terms the number of lives I impact. It can be in anything, and specifically there is a particular area where I want to work is empowering people to make them just jump out of the poverty. So it's a very humongous effort that a lot of people have tried to, and various effort they have been successful in some extent. So I want to devote that if there is any promising person, uh, and he should not get left behind because of some monetary or like whatever. I need to think it through, but that is something, the impact that I would want to leave behind. Thank you. Over to you.